Hi, and thanks for watching this video. This is my first educational video on YouTube, so be a bit gentle, please. Today we're going to work on basic simple fractions. So I'm going to do multiplying, I'm going to do dividing, and I'm going to do addition and subtraction. And I hope you get some benefit out of this video. First, let's get straight in there. I need, first of all, if I just bring your attention to the fraction, we've got two numbers available to see. And these two numbers have names. The top number is called the numerator, okay? And the bottom number is called the denominator. It's just two technical terms that it'll be helpful for you to learn. Okay. And as you can see, I've already pre-written some questions that we're going to go over. So, how do you multiply fractions? It's dead simple, dead simple. All you do is you multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator together. That's all you do. So you'll have a number on this side. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. That's your answer, a quarter. A half multiplied by a half is a quarter. Simples. This one, again, multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36, I think. Yeah, 36. 24 over 36. Simples, easy. Change colour, pink. And this one, 8 times 16. 16 times 30, bit more difficult. I should know the answers to these in my head, but I don't. So 8 times 16 is 128, and 16 times 30 is 480. Awesome. So that's how you multiply fractions together. Now if we go down to dividing fractions, there's just one more step involved in dividing fractions together. Now to divide fractions together, what you have to do is you keep this fraction, the fraction before the divide sign, the same. Okay? So that's 1/8. Then you change the divide sign to a multiplication sign, a times sign, whatever you want to call it. So you got 1/8 times, and then here's a cool mathematical term that I'm sure you'll wow all your friends. You'll probably not wow all your friends, they probably think you're a bit of a nerd, but whatever. You wow your maths teacher anyway. What you do is you take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, so you turn that fraction upside down. That's all that word means. The reciprocal means turn upside down. So you take the reciprocal of this fraction, or turn it upside down, which is 4/3. Cool. Then you've got an easy multiplication. 1 times 4 is 4 over 8 times 3, which is 24. 4/24. Easy. Easy. Just do exactly the same for all of your others. Okay? So, keep the first fraction the same. Change your divide sign to a multiply sign. Take the reciprocal, or turn upside down your second. Your second fraction. Okay? And then you multiply across. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 16, 8 times 8, 2 times 8 is 16. Now then, same again. Keep your first fraction the same. Change your divided sign to its times. Turn your second fraction upside down. That gives us 8 times 10, which is 80, over 4 times 2, which is 8. Turns out to be 10. Okay. Now then, addition and subtraction. What you have to do, what we first know, is you should never add or subtract the denominator. You do never do that. Never add or subtract the denominator. You can times with it, you can divide it, but you cannot add it or subtract it. Okay? So, let's start our first example. Our two denominators are the same, so it's easy. What you do is you keep the denominator the same and you add the numerators together. 1 plus 1 is 2, which equals 1. Simple. Then this is exactly the same, except you're taking away instead of adding. Exactly the same. Your two denominators are the same, so you don't have to change them. Then you've got your two numerators, except it's two different numerators, doesn't matter. 3 take away 2 is 1, so you got 1/8. Now then, here is where it gets a bit more tricky. You've got two different denominators. What you do is this. You get this denominator and multiply it by that numerator. Okay? 7 times 8 is 7 times 8. Well, 7 times 49 plus another 7 would give me 56. Okay? 56. Not very good at multiplying in my head, I've got to say. And then 4 times 4, so the 4 on this denominator multiplied the numerator on that, is 16. So 16 take away 56. Then you divide it by your two numerators multiplied together. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay? Then you can simplify that. 16 take away 56. God. Sorry, it's not take away, is it? It's add. What am I doing? 16 add 56. That'd give you 72. So you get 72 over 28, and that is your addition done. This is exactly the same. Multiply this by that, which gives you 40, and then this multiplied by that gives you 36. Now this does give you a negative number, doesn't matter, over 5 times 9, which is 45. 36 take away 40 is minus 4, and that's over 45, so that's your answer. Minus 4 over 45. Ideally I was hoping for a positive number, but it doesn't matter. Just take those numbers away. Now then, that is multiplying, dividing and adding done. There's my summary. To multiply, you times the number, the numerator and the denominator together. Easy. Dividing, there's steps. Keep the first fraction the same. change the divide sign to a multiplied sign, and take the reciprocal of the second fraction, then multiply. Easy. Adding and subtracting. Number one rule of adding and subtracting fractions is to never add the denominators. You then multiply the denominator of one fraction to the numerator of the other, and vice versa. Then you multiply the denominators together and you add or subtract the fraction. Easy. I hope this video has been done well. Thanks for watching.